lose marks in reading because of one mistake. They read everything. In this video, I will show you a real example and why you're losing your score in CELPIP reading. Basically, the reason you're choosing the wrong answer. Let's get started. So have a look at this passage and the question. Try to find the answer the way you normally do. Was your answer D, limited stations? Most students choose option D. Why? Because they see stations located throughout the city and they get confused. Therefore, they think option D is the right answer. Now, what if I tell you this is not the right answer? Why? This is the biggest mistake that a lot of you make. You match words, but you don't understand the meaning. The question is asking about critics' concern, not general information. So, the correct strategy is to look at the connectors. This word, however, changes everything. In CELPIP reading, but, however, although, and all other connectors are very important. Now, try this part again. Make sure this time you focus on the connector. High cost and risk of damage is the right answer. So now you know what went wrong the first time. So stop reading everything or matching random words. Rather, start doing this. Scan for keywords, look for contrast words, and focus only on relevant lines. Now try this question. Be quick. The right answer is B, expand. Good work. So if you are stuck at CLB 6 or 8, it's not your English, it's your strategy. So stop overreading and start scanning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. This will help me and motivate me to make more videos so that I can help you guys in cracking your CELPIP. Thank you for watching.